Welcome to Bionics Scientific Technologies Private Limited, a unit of Cartel Projects Private Limited. Looking for a clean and compact solution to produce high-quality distilled water? Introducing the wall-mounted water distillation unit, designed for efficiency, ease, and purity, all packed into a smart wall-mounted setup. This model comes with strong iron brackets for secure wall mounting, helping you save precious bench space. No need to rearrange equipment. This unit sits neatly on the wall, giving your workspace a clean and organized look. When it comes to performance, you can count on it to deliver. The unit produces up to 10 liters of distilled water per hour, which means you will always have a steady supply. Ideal for procedures, tests, and applications that demand the highest water purity. Powered by an 6 kW immersion heating element, this distillation unit heats water quickly and efficiently, converting it to vapor and considering it back into clean, pyrogen-free water. No compromise on speed and absolutely no compromise on purity. The outer shell and internal chamber are constructed with 304 grade stainless steel, known for its durability, resistance to rust, and ease of cleaning. It's material that's trusted across medical and lab grade equipment for good reason. Long-lasting performance and hygiene. Worried about setup? Don't be. This unit designed to plug and use. No extra plumbing is required. Install it, power it, and you are good to go. And when it comes to maintenance, we have made things even easier. The immersion heating element is user replaceable, meaning you don't need a technician for routine service. Just unplug, swap, and continue without any delay. Compact, clean, and high efficient. This wall-mounted water distillation unit is perfect for labs and healthcare spaces where purity and performance matter. If you are interested in getting one for your setup, feel free to reach out. Contact us on our email ID, that is info@cartelprojects.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.bionicscientific.com. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your team, and subscribe to stay updated with more lab equipment videos.